Hi and welcome to another Daffodils Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at these cute iris Easter eggs with our really sweet chick and our lovely Easter bunny. You can check out Daffodils Glass Emporium for all your Murrine needs. These are made with 96 Oceanside glass. Look how vibrant it is. And today I'm going to show you how we made this. Out of the kiln and beautifully fused, loving our Murrine. Make sure you go to Daffodils Glass Emporium to check them out. You could have put a hanger behind when you fused it, or you can drill a hole, but I rather like these on an easel. I think they're like super cute. We're selling these easels. You can find them in our accessories on the website daffodilsglassemporium.com. Very reasonable price for beautiful way to display little pieces of glass art. So I love those. So go check out the website. Make sure you sign up to our newsletter there. We also have our wonderful Facebook group. We reached 10,000 subscribers recently and we were super excited about that. And everyone is sharing their projects which they are making with our Murrine, which I find so inspiring. So go check that out. And until next time, happy fusing.